Now we will see what is a variable and how to declare a variable in PHP and types of variables. Variable is used to store data value. If you want to store any value, then we use the variables. For example, x is equal to 10. So here x is a variable which is using for storing the value 10. Okay, for example, x is equal to 10. So here x is a variable which is used to store some data. So here 10 is storing in the x variable and so on. Variable name must begin with a dollar sign. In PHP, variable name always begin with a dollar sign. Okay, dollar, sum, dollar, x and so on. So here by seeing this dollar symbol, you can recognize that this is a variable name. Name can contain letters, numbers and underscore characters but not spaces. So variable name may contain letters, numbers and underscore and characters but not spaces. For example, variable sum1. Yes, variable name can consist numbers also, and variable names can consist underscore also, but it doesn't contain any spaces. For example, dollar total, like this you cannot write. Okay, no spaces are allowed. The first character after the dollar sign cannot be a number, and variable name cannot begin with a digit. Okay, variable name should start with a alphabet only. So variable name should not start with a number. A variable name can contain alphanumeric characters, underscores and so on. So here variable name may consist characters, numbers, underscore and so on. Variable names are case sensitive. What do you mean by case sensitive? Means, for example, dollar sum all written in the caps, dollar sum all written in the lowercase. This is different variable. This is a different variable. So here all the variable names are case sensitive here. And PHP is a loosely typed language, that is no need to declare the type of the variable. So in a PHP, this is loosely typed language, which means that you can declare directly $x is equal to 10. You no need to mention in as like C language, you no need to write int x is equal to 10. So here you no need to mention the type